Telephoto lenses are great, but the nicer ones can get a bit unwieldy. Take this Nikkor 400mm lens for example. It's a phenomenal lens, but all the glass inside of it really adds up and makes this a really long, really heavy lens to use. So how about an alternative? This is a catadioptric lens, or more commonly known as a mirror lens. Where traditional telephoto lenses use groups of glass to refract and magnify the light, these mirror lenses operate more like a telescope, using a series of mirrors to achieve the same effect with far fewer parts inside. This technology allows the lenses to be much smaller and lighter than their traditional counterparts. This is a 400mm Nikkor lens, and this is a 600mm mirror lens. That's an extra 200mm you get from this guy, but they aren't without their limitations. For example, this lens has a fixed aperture of f8, and likely the biggest quirk about these lenses is its very, very characteristic donut bokeh. So any highlight that's thrown out of focus quickly becomes the shape of the front of this lens, which just so happens to look like a donut. It's definitely a look. An acquired taste maybe.